In today's video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Maps. If you are using maps at night or simply prefer a darker look, this feature is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Apps and Display option and tap on it. Then tap on Theme from here. You will now see three different options. To keep maps in dark mode all the time, select Always in Dark theme. Or if you want maps to automatically match your phone's light or dark mode, choose Same as Device theme. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Dark mode is now enabled in your maps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.